With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked to suggest some preventive measures for the diseases of poultry birds, right? So basically if we talk about if we basically further talk about some of the preventive measures that could be follow for the disease of the poultry birds, right? So the number one is the care for the layers, right? Is basically the care for the layers, right? So there are two distinct phases in the life of a layer, right? The one there are two phases, right? So one of the phase, right? One of the phase is basically the growing period, right? One of the phase is the growing period, right? So in this period, the first phase, this is the first phase of the life of the poultry or the layer, that is the growing period, which is up to the sexual maturity, right? So during this period the chickens are called growers, right? During this period the chickens are basically called as the growers, and these growers, they require enough space, right? They basically require enough space, right? Overcrowding tends to suppress their growth, right? So the feed is given in a restricted and calculated manner, right? And then the second phase is basically the laying period, right? That's the laying period. So it is the period from the sexual maturity, right? It starts from the sexual maturity until the end of egg laying, right? And till the end of egg laying, right? So this is basically known as the laying period, right? And the chickens are known as eggers or the layers, right? In this phase the chickens are basically known as the eggers, right? Eggers or the layers, right? So the layers, they require enough space and adequate lighting during this period, right? Apart from this, the intensity, right? Light intensity had its duration has favorable, right? So the light intensity here, right? And its duration, right? Light intensity and its duration has a favorable effect, right? It basically has a favorable, right? It has a favorable effect on the laying output, right? On the laying output of the hens, right? Of the hens, that how much eggs they can give. So that basically somehow depends on the light intensity or on the duration, right? Further, the further feed with the vitamins, right? Further feed with the vitamins, right? Vitamins, minerals, right? Vitamins, minerals, and the micronutrients, right? And the micronutrients, they also influence, right? They also basically influence the sufficient fat, right? They basically influence the sufficient fat. So in the poultry feed, right, the contents of vitamin A, right? So in the poultry, right, in the poultry feed, right, in the poultry feed, the content of vitamin A and the K, right, vitamin A and vitamin K are kept high, right? So these are the preventive measures that could be taken for the diseases of the poultry birds, right?
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.